Ladies and gentlemen, never lose your data again. Many beginner users of computers are still struggling about losing their data by failing to save their documents. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your documents to ensure that your document is safe and secured. So without spend more time, let us start. Yes guys, as we are here, we already created our document. Suppose you already created your document, you need now to save it. So to save your document, you should follow the following steps. The first step is to come and click on this file icon here, file tab here. You see, on this tab, you click on it here. Then as you see, there are different options here. Do you see? But for us, we need to use this save. Not save, we need to use save as here, right? Don't confuse with save and save as. We need to click on save here, right? Then after clicking on this save, you see there are options where you can select where to save your document. You need to select folder where you are going to save your document. Yeah, for us, you can just come and click on this documents. You can save it in documents, or just you can click on this browser to select folders. You see, once you click on browse, you can choose any folder, but for us, as I already said, let us use this document here. We click on it, you see. Then after selecting folder, we need now to come and rename our document. Here is file name. Do you see? Here is file name. You can just leave it as GOO ICT Academy, right? Welcome to GOO ICT Academy, or just you can write updated like this one. This is the name of our file, right? Then here is where you click save as type. Here is the type of full document, and you want to save it as a Word document. That's why we leave it as Word document. Make sure that here your type is the Word document. Then after click on save. The final step is to click on save here. Then our document is already saved. So to check that your document is saved, you need to come and click on File Explorer here, so that you can explore different folders, all folders. Then you click on this PC as usual. You come here and just search for documents here. Well, this document, remember, is where we saved our document. We open it and check whether check whether our document is saved. And remember, it's called welcome to GOO ICT Academy updated. You see, now is already saved. And as you see, it's saved on 27 March 2026 at 16:47 p.m. Do you see? This is the data that's showing that our file is already saved at this time, right? So once you click on it, you can just come and close this one and click on it. As you see, this is our document which is already saved. So this is the end of today's lesson. I hope now you will never lose your data or document again. You have to follow the steps to just click on file, then click on save as, select folder, rename your document, and then click on save. So if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, please let us know in the comment section. So see you in the next lesson.